Hey everybody and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm super excited to be sharing with you my brand new trading screen setup. It has just arrived and I have gone with the tri-screen trading setup that is by Tropire. And I'm going to go through the unboxing with you. I'm going to share how the screens work and give you my verdict on what I think about the tri-screen setup. As I said, guys, this has literally just arrived and I'm surprised because it's actually really light, a lot lighter than what I thought it would be for the product. So this parcel arrived just yesterday and I ordered this around about a week ago, so it's taken a week to arrive, but it has come from China, so I'm really impressed with how fast this has been delivered. And it's also arrived 3 days sooner than they actually told me it would, so super good service on delivery. And surprisingly, the parcel is really light as well. You wouldn't think that there is some high-tech screens in here. I probably shouldn't shake it around too much. So let's get this opened. Nah. John, can I have a knife, please? Oh! John, can I have something a bit more health and safety conscious, please? Are you having a laugh? Seriously, John, I need something sharp but not too dangerous. Come on. Last chance or we're gonna have problems, John. Yeah, I guess that'll do. Now, stage one, they are wrapped up in this really thick bubble wrap protection, which is excellent. Oh, that looks lovely. Oh, they look so snazzy. So, Tropire laptop screen extender. So it says here, fast setup, we shall see. Works on almost every laptop, compatible with OS, boost productivity, compact and portable, and it certainly is lightweight. Cool. So in the box we should have the tri-screens. We should have the USB to C to lightning cable, we'll see what that is, a HDMI cable and a USB-A to USB-C cable. Let's have a look what's in here. Okay, that must be one of the cables. Wow, this looks a lot smaller once you get past all the packaging. It's got some more protective sturdy packaging there, and this looks to be the screens. Cool. So we have the manual, we have the screens, and we have the cables right here. Oh, loads of cables. This is wrapped up so well that I don't even want to open it. Right, so let's see how these work. From what I can gather, they should just open up like this. Okay, that's cool. So one opens up here, and I imagine the other one is right underneath. So that opens up the other way. That is cool. And then the middle bit actually extends to go around the laptop screen. So, I'm gonna get this set up onto my laptop. Oh dear. Oh no guys, it looks like the stand is just a little bit too small for my laptop screen. Oops. Looks like I need a new laptop. Oh, that's handy. Let's try again. Right, so So this laptop is actually just a little bit too small, but that's okay because it does adjust down to it. Oh, so that slides down, and then at the back of the tri-screen we actually have a little bracket that you clip, which actually comes down just to support it when the laptop sits back. So at least these screens actually fit this laptop. So let's get them connected up with the cables and let's see how they work. It looks like right on the end of the screens we have cables. Now as you can see we've got a lot of cables here, so I am going to have to delve into this instruction book after all. So we have some ports on the end of the screen, so I'm going to see if I can get these connected up now. Okay guys, I've got it set up and it looks brilliant. It's very snazzy, it's a very cool piece of equipment, and I'm just going to show you around the actual setup before we look at the screens themselves. Now I've actually used two different cable setups here. As you can see, one screen's got one cable and the other one's got two. So I'm just going to show you how I've done that. One of the screens here has what's called a USB-C cable that goes into the top port on the screen, and it connects to my laptop at the back with the same USB-C. And that allows this screen to actually use the power of the laptop to power it up, and it also charges it at the same time and displays the video. So all that's done with one cable. Now I could do that with this screen as well, using the one cable, but I have at the moment only got one receiving port on my laptop for that cable. So for the other screen, I've done it a different method. I've used this USB-C cable that connects around the back into my laptop's USB port, and that purely charges the screen. To actually display the power on the screen, I've used the HDMI cable into the screen, and that goes into my HDMI port on the back of the laptop. So if I wanted to use just one cable for each of the screens, I could buy an extra port containing USB-C receivers that plugs into my main laptop through USB. It's all very complicated, but at the end of the day, I'm very impressed that Tropire supply many different cables. So I've actually got a few spare cables here now, and it's quite good because it just gives you different options for what you need. So as you can see here in the display settings, all I need to do is identify each of my displays. I've clicked on extend desktop to this display, and that allows me to be able to move around the screen. So the laptop is my main screen, and if I move my mouse to the right hand side, I can access the extra screen there, and the same for the left hand side. That's the way that I like to use this. I like to extend the desktop onto the screens on the sides. Okay guys, so just before I wrap this video up, I just want to demonstrate with you how they work when I'm using my charts with TradingView. So I have TradingView here open on my main screen, and I've got some tabs along the top, and it's so easy to use. All you do is click, hold and drag across to the screen, and then that just simply puts the chart onto the try screen. I'm going to repeat that with the other screen here. So as you can see, I now have charts on all three of my screens. These are really easy to use, and they just really help to extend your view onto the separate screens. So they're perfect if you are a scalper, or if you day trade, if you are watching multiple markets at the same time, or if you need to have your charts open and your broker open at the same time, or news. If you've got all these different resources that you need to use at the same time, these screens are a really good choice to consider for your trading. So if you do want some more information on the try screens, I have included a link below to where I purchased these from Tropire. And as I said, their service has been great, their delivery's been really fast, and the screens have arrived safely with everything that you need to get them set up. If you've enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button below this one, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not already part of the channel, and I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!